again to my kitchen. Today is the best time of the year where we decorate a Christmas decoration. One of the holidays, which is my favorite things to do. So this year I just want to show you how I decorate my kitchen. It's gonna be a white, a gold, and a touch of silver. Alright? Hope you enjoy! Alright, so this is our living room. We decorated it's gonna like Christmas wonderland. It's perfect for having a grandkids. Let me introduce you my grandson. His address is being cranky. Say hi, Baba. Oh, here. So we did for our team in the living room, and then a Christmas tree with a white, red, and a touch of silver. Hope you guys like it. Merry Christmas. Maligayang Pasko, Malikalikimaca, Feliz Navidad. Bye! See you next time!